Today I'll show you guys two ways on how you guys can delete your Instagram message. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. First thing, we are going to go on the message of Instagram. For that, you can click on this little messenger icon at the top right. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to your Instagram message. Now there's two ways, as I said. The first way is you guys can swipe right or swipe just like this on a message. So let's say I want to delete message of Vichy Kevin. I can swipe right like this and click on versus more. Once I click on more, I can see this delete option. If I click on delete, every single conversation I had with Vichy Kevin is going to be deleted. So if you want to delete the entire chat, you can use this feature. So this is one way. The second way is if you just want to delete one message you sent. So for that, you can go inside the chat. So I've gone inside Vichy Kevin chat. So let's say I want to delete this message which I sent to him, which is KO, okay? So let's say I want to delete this. What I can do is just hold on the message. Once I hold on the message, all these settings will open up. From all these settings, what I'm going to do is click on versus unsend at the end. Once I click on unsend, it's going to show me this. Unsend will remove this message for everyone. People may have seen forwarded it already. So if this message has been forwarded to somebody by Vichy Kevin, there's nothing I can do to stop that. But if I want to remove it from this message, I can just click on unsend and click on OK. Now once I do that, as you guys can see, the message has disappeared. Now it's not only going to be disappeared in my end, it's also going to be disappeared in Vichy Kevin's end. So in your case, the message is also going to be removed on your friend's end as well. So these are the two ways on how you guys can remove your Instagram messages. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel for future Instagram related videos like this. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.